Hi, my name's Adam, and I am a truck driver supervisor. What brought me into trucking originally is my dad was a truck driver growing up, so I've always been around trucking. Operations is what we work in here. It's a fast environment, changes every single day. I get to work with a diverse group of people. It's always something different. The nice thing, at the end of the day, you've achieved something. A good parallel job description would be an air traffic controller. They oversee, a flight from A to B. We're doing the same thing with trucks. When you come in, you're going to look at what we call your board. Your board has anywhere between 30 and, say, 60 trucks that you're going to manage those drivers specifically. You're going to look and check all your loads that are running late, your loads that are running early, maybe contact the customer and see if we can't get that load delivered earlier to improve our utilization. Everything we do is trying to push more revenue out of each truck. At the end of the day, we're looking at total revenue per truck per day. We work with over-the-road truck drivers who are partners on the road. They live in an 8x8 box every single day. We push them to run as hard as they can. To directly supervise drivers, you have to have a lot of patience. You also have to work with a lot of urgency. It's a very fast-paced environment. The person that would like this job needs to be outgoing, definitely be a people person. You'll answer numerous phone calls, maybe 100 phone calls a day, speaking with your drivers directly. Someone who also enjoys learning technology. Technology is completely changing the industry. The more advanced you are in your mathematical skills, the more efficient you will be at planning your trucks, servicing our customers, and making our drivers happy. At an entry level, driver manager or truck driver supervisor, we look for a bachelor's degree or someone who has some experience in the industry. We have a lot of accountants in here, we have engineers in here, we have sociology majors, we have all different types of degrees here. Everyone can learn trucking. If you have the right work ethic and a great attitude, we can train you to become a truck driver supervisor. The industry is growing like crazy. Every day brings a whole new set of issues. Sometimes the problems are major, sometimes they're very simple. And as the supervisor, all you're doing is trying to find the most efficient and profitable solution for your fleet. On a day-to-day basis, the biggest challenge you may face is different emergencies happen, life happens. It doesn't stop just because you're in a truck and you're 1,000 miles away from home. One of the most important aspects of the job as well is developing a relationship between the driver and their direct supervisor. These drivers, once they trust their supervisor, will do virtually anything you ask them to do. So the challenge is developing that relationship. Truck drivers are great people, and they're hard workers, and you have to be, and you really respect that. And if you can really treat them as our partners on the road, it can be a very fulfilling job. I have a Hoosier Hot 50 job, and I love it.